Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Dear students of Masters Final M2, I am talking for you. You have a good syllabus here. Course title Modern Drama. I would like to discuss The Glass Menagerie written by Tennessee Williams, and I would like to discuss the character list in The Glass Menagerie presented by Tennessee Williams. So dear students, most welcome to online video class. This is MM Azharul Islam, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Tongi Government College, Gazipur. So dear students, already you have understood today's topic, The Glass Menagerie depicted by Tennessee Williams. So please listen to me carefully. First character, O'Connor Jim. Dear students, please. Jim is a former hero of the high school Tom and Laura Wingfield attended. He is also a colleague of Tom's at the International Shoe Company. Tom invites Jim for dinner at the Wingfield's apartment. Jim does not realize that Tom's mother, Amanda Wingfield, has the ulterior motive of presenting him as a gentleman, caller, and prospective suitor for Laura. The plan fails as Jim is already engaged. The character of Jim is based on an actual Jim O'Connor, who was one of Williams' fellow students at the University of Missouri at Columbia. On occasion, he was invited to the Williams home with the goal that he would become better acquainted with Williams' sister, Rose Williams. Dear students, please follow me. Next character, Wingfield Amanda. Very important character. Please listen to me, dear students. She is the mother of Tom and Laura Wingfield, living in a dingy St. Louis apartment and struggling to make ends meet by selling magazine subscriptions. Amanda finds solace in the romantic memories of her girlhood. Her concern about her children's future prompts her to bully them to live her ideal life, that of southern gentility. Her inappropriate sense of propriety makes Tom and Laura miserable, as does Esmeralda Christfield in Spring Strong. Amanda places importance on the need to have Laura marry a socially suitable young man. This goal causes an unhappy tension in the household and a bitter friction, especially between Amanda and Tom. At her insistence, Tom invites Jim O'Connor, a fellow shoe factory worker, to visit the Wingfield home as a prospective gentleman caller for Laura. Amanda Wingfield is based on William's mother, Edwina Steele Duckin Williams. Mrs. Williams acknowledged the similarity and recalled that in her youth she was always the belle of the ball, who proudly made her debut in Vicksburg Twist. Mrs. Williams also said that she greatly enjoyed the character of Amanda, especially when she was played by Laurette Taylor, a real genius who adequately captured the pathos of the character. Okay, dear student, please listen to me. Don't lose your concentration now. Very important character, Wingfield Laura. Laura is the daughter of Amanda Wingfield and older sister of Tom Wingfield. A childhood illness has left her with a shortened leg for which she has to wear a brace. Laura's self-consciousness about her disability renders her unable to attend business college, and she seeks refuge in her collection of glass animals, the eponymous Glass Menagerie. Her encounter with Jim O'Connor, with whom she has been secretly infatuated since high school, proves traumatic when she finds out what he is engaged. Laura Wingfield is based on Williams' sister, Rose Isabel Williams. So dear student, this is the last character I am going to discuss, Wingfield Tom. Very important, please listen to me. Tom is the narrator and simultaneously a character in the play. He has ambitions to be a poet, but he is forced to work at a shoe factory warehouse to support his mother, Amanda Wingfield, and his sister, Laura Wingfield. His home life in their St. Louis apartment is miserable. His mother repeatedly accuses him of being selfish and regularly looks through his possessions, dreaming of adventure and escape from his depressing job and home life. Tom spends most of his evenings at movies. He becomes a reluctant accomplice in his mother's plan to secure a gentleman collar for Laura. He invites his workmate and former high school associate Jim O'Connor to the Wingfield apartment for dinner. The evening is a disaster, and his mother blames the negative turn of events on Tom. As a result, he leaves home, abandoning Amanda and Laura to their own resources. Tom is forever haunted by memories of his sister, and the play is his account of events surrounding his departure. Tom Wingfield is Williams' most autobiographical character. Tom's leave-taking mirrors Williams' own departure from his family's St. Louis, Missouri apartment and from his emotionally unstable sister Rose Isabel Williams. So dear students, this is all from today. I think all of you have understood the character list in the drama The Glass Menagerie depicted by Tennessee Williams. So dear students, one thing I want to say, some characters are good, some characters are bad, some characters are central, some characters are partial. Actually, you have to know the functions and role by the protagonist, hero, heroine, or the villain. So this is all from today. Stay at home, stay safe. No more today. Bye. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.